Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.